There are many reasons to visit the Palatinate region, but one of the most pleasant and enjoyable reasons is to visit Neustadt an der WEINSTRAße. The town is easy to reach by train thanks to its excellent regional and international connections. The city center is a gem of architectural history and is home to, among other things, the old town with its medieval alleys and historic market square boasts the largest collections of half-timbered houses in the Palatinate. There is so much to see even if I only spend a few hours. I am able to discover the beauty and charm of Neustadt an der WEINSTRAße. So, if you are in Germany and are not sure if Neustadt an der WEINSTRAße should be included in your next itinerary, keep watching because in this video, I have put together some of the interesting things to see in Neustadt an der WEINSTRAße. As you walk through the streets and alleyways of the town, you will be welcomed by its retained unique charm of the past. Wood, clay, straw materials provided by nature were used by humans in the Neolithic period when they settled down and began to build permanent dwellings in the town. The old city center is rich in its innumerable ancient buildings and colorful half-timbered houses. Neustadt has many attractions to visit, including its main attraction, the Old Town, which also has a medieval church. The market square hosts a weekly market set against the backdrop of the towering Collegiate Church. Vendors offer their produce around the impressive market fountain throughout the year. From the central market square with the Collegiate Church, Town Hall, and half-timbered houses, you'll find yourself through alleyways in the lively pedestrian zone with numerous shops and restaurants. The path is lined with artistic sculptures by regional artists. Between the sidewalk, there are cafes, small shops, and secluded squares that invites you to sit and dine. The town captivates with its lively atmosphere, impressive history, and year-round cultural offerings. To get to know Neustadt an der WEINSTRAße in the best possible way is to wander around its corners aimlessly. The town is also more than worth sightseeing. There are numerous picturesque corners that offers great photo opportunities and wine villages where you can spend beautiful hours. With so many beautiful sights around Neustadt an der WEINSTRAße, you are sure to never be bored. Whether you prefer just walking around the town, attractions are just waiting to be discovered by you and the whole family. I hope that this video will help you appreciate the town even more. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, cheers!
Mm-hmm.